Hey friends, Gator Mom here. I just got home from Target and I spent like $1 million in the Target dollar spot section. Got a ton of spring stuff and Easter stuff, so I thought I would do a quick little haul for you. Alright, so my Target today had a ton of super cute stuff. Lots and lots of spring stuff and Easter stuff, and I wasn't going to start buying Easter stuff, but there's a lot of cute stuff and I thought I would start saving up for like Easter baskets and things like that, and a lot of fun stuff to do around springtime and even summertime. So these hats I had to have. They're so cute. This one here is kind of like a turquoisey blue and it says Beach Life, and these were $5, $3. These were $5 and they're like big floppy beach hats. And then this one over here is almost, I don't know if it's black or I think it's more of a navy blue. The color's kind of hard, but I think it's like a navy blue, and of course it says do not disturb, and I think they're so fun for summertime. I got both of those, and then this really cute pink home sign. I think it'll look really cute on the mantle in my living room. So I got that. That was $1, I think. And then over here I got these really cute paint your own stepping stones. I think these will be really fun for my daughter and I to do. They are just like ceramic stepping stones, and they come with these paints over here on the side, and I think they'll be really cute kind of by like our front door and like our little, not really garden area, we don't really have a garden area, but kind of like our entryway as you come into our home. But these have little like cute ladybugs on them. I'm pretty positive when we paint ours it is not gonna look like that, but it'll be fun anyways to do. So I got that one, and then I also got this really pretty butterfly one. She's gonna love doing this. But this is kind of what it looks like on the back. And they were $3. I didn't think that was bad at all. I think it'll be a really fun project to do with her like after school one day. I might put one like in her Easter basket, but I thought these were a really good buy. I also got a couple of these tins. I really like these. I think you've seen these on one of my haul videos before, but they had a couple of new fun colors. I like these for like on my mantle and even in my kitchen, and I have a few of these like on her desk. I use these a lot, but they're $1 and they're like really fun colors. This is a pretty like teal and like a lime green and pink, but got a couple more of those. And then these were a few items that I actually went to Target for, because don't you go to Target for like one thing and then you leave with $1 million? But anyways, we needed boogie wipes because my kids' allergies are out of control. The pollen count here in Florida is so high, and my boys are like on the struggle bus with allergies. So I got a package of boogie wipes, and then I got some more of this like cough medicine because it seems to work really well for my oldest. Let me know if you guys have any like home remedies for allergies. My boys, like I said, they're struggling. I needed some more dry shampoo. I've never tried this brand, but I've heard actually a lot of you tell me that this is a really good one. So I thought I would give that a try. This is the coconut like tropical scent, so I hope that's a good one. Got these bubbles for Easter in the Easter baskets. These were $1. Really cute blue one and like a limey yellow and a pink one. So I got those, and I'll just kind of, I guess, continue along this way here. Got these really cute like, I guess they're kind of, let me see how I can show you guys, but the lighting's so bad right here. But these are little trees, but they have eggs on them, and they're a cute kind of tin bottom. And I'm not sure if I should like open up the sticks to kind of make them bigger, but I plan to put them on my mantle in my living room here. I think they're really cute for Easter, like something bright and fun. And normally these would go for like a lot more that I've seen, but these were $5. So I thought they were cute. I might put them like I said, on my mantle in my living room. I thought they were really cute little kind of Eastery. So I got 2 of those. And then I got these 2 little canvases. I got one for each of my boys. They say stay awesome. I tend to get a lot of like arts and craft type things for my daughter. So anytime that they have cute like boy type arts and craft things, I always grab them because I never really see things for my boys, like not as much. So this one, like I said, says stay awesome, and it's like a canvas shark, and then it comes with stickers and these little paint things, and it was $3. So I thought that was really fun. So that's something that they can do. And then over here, I got a little tin of unicorn stencils for my daughter. And these are really cool. They have like fairy and a rainbow and a unicorn, of course, down there at the bottom, and a couple of other shapes, but they're really hard kind of cardboard, and they'll be fun for her to draw, and they're in this cute little tin case, and she can use this case for like something else, like markers or color pencils or whatever there too. Then I got her these cute little erasers. These will sit like on her desk. I thought these were really cute. They were $1. And then I got her this pen. It's like a mini retractable pen, all different colors, and it has different like tropical, I don't know if you guys can see in the camera there, but it has like palm trees and flamingos and things like that. And then I got her this little pad that says Happy Easter for her Easter basket. Then I saw these are kind of wannabe Legos, like not the real Lego brand, but you know, like another kind of imitation Lego brand. But these were only $1 each, which I thought was really good because I was gonna put them in the boys' Easter baskets, but they are different little Lego men, and I figured they would be great for like putting in little bags for like toys and things like that. I'm always looking for like little people or whatever. So those are really cool. There's like special forces and firemen and policemen. So the boys will really like those. I've got 2 for each of them for their baskets. So then over here, I got, these were $1 each, and these are just little sunglasses for the kids. I mainly got them for the boy, for both of my boys, but I did get a pink pair for my daughter. She wears regular glasses, so she doesn't really get to wear sunglasses, but I didn't want to exclude her, so I did get her a pair of pink sunglasses. So then over here, the last little bit that I got these really cool wooden eggs. I think they're so cool. I plan to kind of let the kids color them and then put them like in a bowl on my counter, but I got 3 different packages so that they could each like have a bunch to color and doodle on, and maybe like, I don't know what I'm gonna have them do, but like, I don't know if I'm having them use like paint or markers or what, but I thought they were really cool. They were $3 each, and I think they could get really creative with those. Then I found these pet rock bugs. So they're like little rocks, but they are in the shape of bugs, and I think that will be really fun to kind of paint with the kids and put, you know, kind of out with those stepping stones or whatever. So I thought these were really cute. I got 2 packs of them because there's only like 4 or 5 rocks in each, and I have 3 kids, so I'm like, well, I need extra bugs. So I got 2 packs of those. And then I got this little felt bunny that you can decorate and put out. So I think that'll be really cute on the counter for Easter. Then I got this cute little tic-tac-toe. I thought it was adorable, little Easter bunny, and then carrots. So I picked that up, and I'll kind of sit that out maybe on the coffee table for Easter. I thought that was really cute. For $1, you can't beat it. Then over here, I always grab these when I see them because they're absolutely awesome for Disney, for at the parks when you're waiting for a parade or a show. These little doodle pads have stickers in them. And then I actually just took this one sticker out for my planner. We're planning to go to Disney for spring break, so I was like, oh, let me like put that little sticker in there. But these here are like little different like doodle pad, and then of course there's stickers in the front of them. So I got a little mini one for my daughter, and then a frozen ink pad. These are like the magic ink ones. These are awesome because they're like no mess, and they're perfect when you're like waiting for a parade. And then I also got a frozen one because we are Frozen obsessed in this house. And then there's a Cocoa one down there, and then a PJ Masks one there for my son. So that is pretty much everything I got in this Target haul, and I think it was a pretty good one today because I love all of this spring stuff. I think it's pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if you found any of this good stuff at your Target. So I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great weekend.